Hello, everyone. Hey, Chris Adams here with Adams Technology Group, aka Smatatech, and aka Integranet IT. So, it is summertime. School is out, and as a parent, that has its pros and it definitely has its cons. And those of you who are parents kind of understand where I'm coming from. But the weather's fantastic. And so I thought I'd just sit here, shoot out a quick video because I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. Too long, but there's been a lot of incredible things going on here with the team. So I wanted to bring you guys up to speed. These are, let's just call them the summer beats to keep with the vibe. So number one, we want to welcome our Integranet IT new clients. For the, Smatatech ATG clients, to bring you guys up to speed, we purchased Integranet IT, the company, in February, and over the last 3 months, we have been vigorously bringing them on board. And so, Smatatech meet Integranet, Integranet meet Smatatech. We've got you guys all together, and I think the Smatatech clients will be more than willing to welcome you guys and help the Integranet clients understand the great customer service that we deliver. And we're slowly but surely winning the trust over with those Integranet clients. And so we appreciate that. So the one thing that's not going to change, obviously, is our 329. We've added some great new faces here. And we're always trying to stay, a tech heavy is kind of what I call it, and to deliver our 329. Everyone, as you guys know, we answer every phone call within 3 rings and respond to every ticket in 29 minutes, 329. That's not going away. So with that leads us into, we have a little bit of a branding update. Smatatech is not going away. We're not necessarily going to sunset it, but with the purchase of Integranet, we've kind of went through a rebranding. So, those customers that have been with us for a long time, longer than 4 or 5 years, understand us as ATG Voice. When we brought on the managed services, we launched Smatatech. But as we've started to grow and mature and bring on these different skill sets, it really goes back to what my vision was for the company that I wanted to build, and that is Adams Technology Group. So, a couple things. You're going to start to see that branding. It's a black and white logo. It's got a really powerful A. It's got Adams Technology. We sent that out to 99 Designs, where they've done UC Forge. They did Smata Labs, et cetera, et cetera. So, really cool branding for us. You'll start to see it on our email signatures. Justin's done a really good job of finding that, so you'll start to see that branding there. Our quotes that are going out have been updated with the new branding, and then our invoices have always kind of said Adams Technology Group, but it had Smatatech logo. That actually will be the Adams Technology Group logo moving forward. So, just some things that are changing, over time, and we'll continue to keep you guys posted. The other thing is we are now answering the phones, Adams Technology Group. And Victor has been doing that for about 6 weeks, and we just kind of wanted to test to see what the feedback was from the clients. And I think everyone recognizes Victor's voice and Jason's voice and Aaron's voice and Jeremy's voice and Will's voice. So they just know who they're getting when they're on the phone. So that's really cool. So a couple of things that aren't going to change on the branding. Smatatech.com is going to remain intact. That's a larger project, of which Parrish behind the cam is got a lot of work to do on that. So that'll be coming down in the future. And then, of course, help@smatatech.com is still going to be the email to get a hold of us for all your service and incident issues. So that's the branding update. Lastly, as we continue to grow, we spend more and more time on site. We are going to be implementing security badges. So for all of our on-site guys in our Field 2 technicians and even our engineers, we will be sending them on-site with a lanyard that will have kind of this branding It'll just be Adams Technology with the big A. Well, sorry, with the name and the first and last name, and then contact information from us. So why is that important? Well, we got some feedback from a client that was going through this transition with Integranet. And our model was a little bit different in the fact that we don't assign techs. All of our techs take care of all of our customers. And so the client was kind of seeing different techs. And because it was new, it was a little bit unfamiliar, a little bit scary. They're in the financial services. So the feedback came to me was, how can we help mitigate some of that? And so we love feedback from our clients. We're always trying to be better. We're in a constant feedback loop. What worked, what didn't work, what we can do better. This was one of them. So Paris just put this together. So this will be rolling out here in the next few weeks. You'll see the guys, they'll have a lanyard or they'll be clipped to their clothing, but it'll have the Adams Technology brand and their face and contact information. So that's really cool. The other thing that it really covers is our number one pillar, network security. So network security for us is paramount. If we can't secure your network, you don't have a network. And there's kind of three subsets to that for us. Number one, it's the logical side. It's where all of the craziness happens. Firewalls, malware, and ransomware, anti-ransomware, all the things that we're putting on the computers and inside the network to protect it. And then there's the practical, all the stuff that we try to do to help educate our clients so they're using technology in the right way, which makes it the most secure. But the third piece of that is where this comes into place, and this is physical. Network security has a physical component. You need to understand who is walking into your office, who has access to your servers, who has access to your desktops, right? Who is communicating with you. So this fulfills that. It's in alignment with our network security pillar. So I'm going to jump off here. That's it. Integranet customers, welcome. ATG, Smatotech, meet the Integranet crew. We're super excited about that. We got a lot of great things planned. And it's summer. So go out there, have fun. You know how to get a hold of us, help@smatotech.com. And we'll talk to you shortly. Thank you, and make it a great day. Thanks.